Steps to replace the screen on a FANUC 0i-D controller. First, disconnect the ribbon cable and unplug the inverter wiring. Next, remove the 2 screws on the left and loosen the 2 screws on the right. Carefully remove the screen, paying attention to the ribbon cable. Replace the screen and reconnect the ribbon cable, ensuring it is securely fastened. Thread the cables back through and tighten the screws. Secure both the ribbon cable and the inverter wiring. Finally, align the clips to reinstall the screen. Thread the ribbon cable into place, and secure it properly.